Let's do your animals. Charlie, can you tell me where the monkey is? Do you see the monkey? Show me the monkey. Good job! All right. Okay, can you show me where the doggy is? Yeah! Good job! Can you show me where the kitty cat is?
Yeah.
Where's the kitty cat? Good job! Can you show me where the horsey is? Can you show me where the sheep is? No, that's not the sheep. Can you show me where the sheep is? Yeah, there's the sheep. Can you show me where the rabbit is? The bunny rabbit?
Yeah.
Where's the bunny rabbit? Yay, Charlie! Can you show me where the moo cow is? Good job, Charlie! Can you show me where the duck is? Grab it. Which one? That one?
No.
Oh, there's the duck. Thank you. Can you show me where the tiger is? Rah! Where's the tiger? Good job! Can you show me where the elephant is? Good job! Can you show me where the fish is? Yeah! Can you show me where the horsey is? Yeah! Can you show me where the turtle is? Yay, Charlie, you got them all! Give me 5. Charlie, give me 5. All right.